Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering sales price management for your e-commerce platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential features and techniques to optimize your sales pricing strategy effectively. Let's start by understanding sales rules located within the sales price section under the product edit page. Here, you'll find crucial information such as sales status, date range, and pricing details. The status can range from active to scheduled for future activation, expired, manually activated, or manually deactivated. For a detailed overview and to add new prices, click on the Edit or More links. Two important restrictions have been introduced. Sell up to PCS. This sets the total quantity of products that can be sold at the sale price across all customers. Max in one order. This limits the number of products that can be sold at the sale price in a single order. Exceeding these limits will revert to the standard price. Activate or deactivate sales prices based on specific date ranges using the provided radio buttons. You can set start and expiry dates for each sale price to precisely control your offerings. Please note, the sales tag is design dependent and should remain unchanged unless corresponding design updates are implemented. Read-only information on the edit product page does not update in real time. A page reload is necessary to view the updated data. For more advanced management, head to Admin, My Marketing Tools and Sales. Here, you can efficiently filter products based on various criteria, including ID, model, name, UPC, EAN, ISBN, sales tags, customer groups, dates, and prices. The quick search feature facilitates rapid name-based searches. When dealing with products, you have the flexibility to add new products, edit existing ones, or remove outdated products, all with user-friendly buttons. While adding or editing a product under the sales page, you can use the same options to set sales prices as on the edit product page. Mastering sales price management is pivotal for your e-commerce success. Armed with this knowledge, you can fine-tune your pricing strategies and boost your sales effectively. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable guides to enhance your online business further.